Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be showing you how to create a child theme for your WordPress website. Now, basically, a child theme is a theme that is the child of a parent theme. So why you need a child theme is basically to prevent unwanted change to your website. So when the theme author make changes to the parent theme, it does not affect the layout and design of your website. So all your design will be domiciled on the child theme, while the parent theme is still seated on your website. So this video is basically to show you how you can create a child theme from a parent theme. So first of all, you want to install the plugin, the child theme configurator. So you're going to search for it here, child theme configurator. So once you search for it, you're going to install. So this is it right here. And once you've installed and activated, you want to go to tools, and then you want to come over to child themes, and then you're going to click on it, and it brings you to this page. And then you want to of course this will be selected automatically. So to create a child theme is the action, and then you want to select the parent theme you want to use. For me, I want to use this Astra. So I will click on analyze. Okay, so this is legible, and then I can create a child theme for me. So the next thing you want to do is to if you want, you can rename this. So I'll just rename it to the name of this website. Just rename it to the website name itself. So sometimes when you search for what theme a website is using, you just see the name of the website instead of the actual theme. Now that is possible because of the child theme, and this is exactly what this is all about. So this is the name of the directory, right? So down here, so you're gonna leave all the other boxes in their default, and then down here you want to now edit the attribute in order to reflect the metadata that people see when they search for the kind of theme you use in your website. So although Astra theme now is a general theme, so which is available in the WordPress.org directory, but because we are creating a child theme, when you use online tools to check for the theme of this website, it will show you the name, but then it will tell you it doesn't exist in the website and the WordPress.org directory, and this is why. So you're going to change the name if you want. So I'll change the name to this, and this is the name of the child theme. I'm going to use my agency website for the directory. So the website, the theme website, I'm going to use my agency website, and then the author, I'm going to use my agency. So of course these are all optional. And then the author website, I'll use my agency website again. So just remove all the description, and then once that is okay, so you can actually change the version number if you want. So just say 2.0. So and once that's done, I want to scroll down here. You see copy menus widget and other customizer settings from the parent theme to the child theme. Now you want to check this box, and then you're going to scroll down. Once you've done, and you're going to run the configurator, create a new child theme, and then hopefully this child theme will be created. And here we are analyzing the child theme we have just created. Theme created. You can see the theme appears to be functioning properly. This theme does not require the parent theme styles, which is very important. So once we've done that, we can now say that we have successfully created a child theme for our website. And then and once you've done that, if you go back to the appearance and then to theme directory, to appearance themes, then you will find that your child theme is already here. You can see now this is the child theme we just created. This is the parent theme, which is active. So we're going to activate this one now, which is the child theme. Right. So now we have this child theme, and then we have the Astra. So when the this abstract developer make changes to the web to the theme. Maybe they make an upgrade, or they fix some bugs, or they change some style sheet. It doesn't necessarily affect our website because we are relying primarily on the child theme and the child style sheet. And then don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to um, leave your comment. Let me know what you think about the process. And then of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.